Hello and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we'll be drawing Chef Pigster from Garten of Banban. We're going to start off with the eye on the left of the page. We're going to start off with a simple circle, maybe a little bit bigger, and then a smaller one in the middle, and a smaller one for the highlight. We want to fill this in with black, like so. And once you're done with the eye, we're going to repeat the same one on the right. Try to match the size as much as possible. Black over the middle. And white. Now let's fill in the eye. Once both eyes are done, we're going to do a nose right below. Starting from the middle, let's go out, down, back out, and up. And once your nose is done, we just need two big nostrils. 1, 2 to match. And Pigster has a head, so we're going to go from the left, go up, and go back down to the side. There's going to be 2 ears. We're going to start off for the first one on the left, and back down. It's the same shape for the inside of the ear. Repeat the other ear on the right, up, down, up, down. For the hat, we're just going to start here, do an oval, and then draw in 1, 2, 3, 4 detail lines. And with the head done, let's move over to the arms. Start off with the shoulder, arm, and then 3 simple fingers, elbow, stop around here. We want to repeat the same shape on the other side. Shoulder, arm, 3 fingers, arm, and stop around here. With that done, we just move over to the body. It's just going to be a little line and a really big round belly. Stop right here and repeat the same on the other side. Almost there, and connect. With the belly done, we just need 2 feet, which is going to be hoof shaped, like so. 1, 2. And Chef Pigster has another face on his belly. Let's draw that in. Draw a circle. And the eye. Circle for the highlight. And let's fill in the black. Same on the other side. Circle. Eye. Circle for the highlight. And fill in for the black. And then there's going to be a really big mouth. Start off on the side, go up, follow almost like the curvature of the belly across, curve up, back down, and end. Now we just need the teeth. We're just going to do 4 on the top, and they're almost like these simplified U's. And 1 more. For the bottom, we're going to do 5 of them. Starting from here. I want to go across. like so. One more. That's looking great. Let's add some color real quick. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.